Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to delete your ChatGPT account directly from your Android phone. So for that, firstly open your ChatGPT app or website on your phone. In my case, I am opening my Google Chrome and searching here for ChatGPT. Now tap this menu icon and from here tap on your account. Now select settings from here. From here, now tap on data control. You can see delete your account. From here, select this delete icon. Now here you have to write your email address or your phone number and then right here delete. Tap on permanently delete my account. And you can see it's already deleted my account. And that's how you can delete your ChatGPT account from your phone. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next video.